This is the brief on Schrodinger's cat. This famous 1935 thought experiment wasn't actually meant to teach us how quantum mechanics works, but rather to expose how absurd its rules become when applied to the everyday objects around us. First, let's look at the setup. A hypothetical cat is placed in a sealed steel box with a radioactive atom, a Geiger counter, and a vial of poison. So, there's a 50% chance the atom decays in an hour, which would trigger the poison. Well, because quantum theory states the unobserved atom is in a superposition, it forces the macroscopic cat into a seemingly impossible superposition too, being entirely alive and entirely dead until the box is opened. Second, what sparked such a bizarre idea? Erwin Schrödinger formulated this after trading letters with Albert Einstein regarding the 1935 EPR paper. You see, this paper famously challenged quantum superposition and entanglement, basically arguing that quantum mechanics didn't provide a complete description of physical reality. Finally, that brings us to Schrödinger's real target, the then-dominant Copenhagen interpretation. To make this critique hit home, consider this rhetorical question based on Einstein's concern. Wait, if quantum mechanics is a complete theory, does that mean a keg of gunpowder can exist as both exploded and unexploded at the exact same time? Using this pushback, Schrödinger made his main point. The fuzzy, probabilistic rules governing subatomic particles simply break down when scaled up to macroscopic systems. Ultimately, Schrödinger's cat was never a literal experiment, but a brilliant philosophical weapon designed to highlight the profound disconnect between quantum theory and our classical reality.